If you want to install a CCTV system, but you're confused about what the actual difference is between DVR, NVR, and XVR, which system performs best in which situation, and which setup you should choose based on your budget, then make sure to watch this video till the end, because today I'll give you a complete CCTV guide in a simple and easy to understand way. Let's start with DVR, the digital video recorder. This system is used for analog cameras, which we often call the CCTV coaxial cable system. In a DVR, the camera's signal is processed inside the recorder, which means the video quality depends on both the camera and the coaxial cable. DVR setups are affordable, easy to install, and perfect for small shops, homes, and basic security needs. Now let's talk about NVR network video recorder. This system works with IP cameras that process the digital video inside the camera itself before sending it to the NVR. Basically, each camera works like a mini computer. NVR systems provide very high image quality Full HD, 4K, and even AI-based features like face detection, smart motion detection, line crossing, and more. NVR setups are ideal for offices, plazas, factories, and places where high clarity and smart security features are required. Now, the most confusing system, XVR. This is a hybrid recorder that supports multiple camera formats: HD, TVI, CVI, CVBS, and even IP cameras. If you already have older cameras installed and want to upgrade slowly without replacing the entire system, then an XVR is the best option. One more important difference: DVR uses coaxial cables, NVR uses network cables, while XVR can handle both. In terms of performance, NVR is the most powerful, then XVR, and then DVR. In terms of price, DVR is the cheapest, XVR is mid-range, and NVR is the most expensive. Storage requirements also differ. IP cameras use higher bitrate, so they require larger hard drives, while analog systems consume less storage. If you want brighter night mode, stable colors, clear zoom, and sharp recordings, then go for an NVR IP system. But if you only need normal surveillance and your budget is tight, DVR is the best choice. And if you want a mixed system that can run both old and new cameras, then XVR is your perfect hybrid solution. Finally, if you want to choose the best CCTV system for your home, shop, or office, first decide whether you need basic security, smart features, or an upgrade path for old cameras. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like it, subscribe for more CCTV and security-related guides, and comment below which system you use: DVR, NVR, or XVR.